If the Pool Payday spin wheel is stuck loading, the fastest fix is usually to restart the app, check your connection, and then clear the app's temporary data before trying the wheel again. By the end, you'll know which steps to try on Android and iPhone, how to tell whether the problem is on your device, and what to do when the spin wheel still refuses to load. Start by completely closing Pool Payday. Don't just leave the app running in the background. Remove it from your recent apps, wait a moment, and open it again. This forces the game to start a fresh session, instead of continuing with a failed loading request. Next, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you're using mobile data, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. The spin wheel may need to contact the game's server before it can display the available reward, so a connection that works for browsing can still cause problems inside the app. If the wheel is still stuck, check whether Pool Payday has an available update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Pool Payday, and install an update if one is available. An outdated app can cause individual features to stop working correctly after a server-side change. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Pool Payday, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without intentionally deleting your account data. Then reopen the game and test the spin wheel. On iPhone, there isn't a direct system option for clearing an individual app's cache. Instead, make sure the app is updated and restart the iPhone. If the problem continues, reinstalling Pool Payday can refresh the app installation. But make sure your account is connected to a supported login method before removing the app. If other parts of Pool Payday work normally, but the spin wheel consistently stays on the loading screen, the issue may be server-side rather than something you can fix locally. In that situation, repeatedly reinstalling the app is unlikely to help. Check the game's official support or status information for an outage or maintenance notice. So the main fixes are simple: restart Pool Payday, change your connection, update the app, clear its cache on Android, or reinstall it on iPhone if necessary. Try the connection switch and app restart first. If the wheel still won't load after those steps, check Pool Payday's support information before making further changes. If this fixed the spin wheel, like the video, and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.